Hello everyone, this is Aiden and welcome to my newest video. Today we will be talking about Google Suite. So first off, what is Google Suite? Google Suite is Google's brand of software tools prominently including Gmail, Google Drive and everything along with it, as well as other applications such as Google Hangouts and Calendar. Now that we know what G Suite is, what are the benefits of using it? Well, first off, it's 100% free and you get 15 gigabytes to use for free. For more storage, you can easily upgrade for a very cheap monthly fee. Also, everything in G Suite is connected to a central email address, namely through Gmail. All you have to do is simply log in and you instantly have access to every program in the G Suite. Also, you have access to Google Drive and the programs associated with it, namely Google Docs, Slides, and Sheets. These programs are similar to Microsoft's Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, respectively. However, Google's products are completely free, whereas Microsoft's products require an expensive Office license. With Google Drive and the programs associated with it, you can easily collaborate with peers and colleagues by simply sharing a link to people or directly inviting them through their email addresses. Furthermore, Google Hangouts, a messaging service, can be used directly through Gmail or also as a separate application. Also, Google Calendar can be used to sync your calendar across your devices to keep yourself and your time organized. Furthermore, you also get notifications of events in your calendar directly through Gmail. Also, you can directly invite others to calendar events using Gmail as well. All in all, G Suite is a great system that provides access to tools that can easily create, access, and store many things done by professionals and even casual users. Furthermore, other apps like Google Calendar and Hangouts also increase productivity and enhance the efficiency created by the centralized workflow known as Google Suite. All the products in the Google Suite use the cloud, meaning that the data is almost impossible to get lost and you don't have to store anything on your personal computers. And the best part about it, all it takes is a single email address. So this concludes the video. Please like if you enjoyed it and be sure to leave a comment as I'll be sure to answer it. Also be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these in the near future. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.